How much cheese should I grate?
What? How much do you want?
I don't know. Just enough for our toasting.
How much is it?
Not enough?
That's plenty.
You want to put the bread then?
Right, are you keeping this on,
Yeah, I'm filming a video of how to make a cheese toastie. For the people who don't know. Like that fat woman on YouTube. Do you want the milk? Should we get a bread then? What was that?
I'm turning the heat on to heat this up.
I don't know where the knife's gone.
It's here.
Alright.
I've got it. I cleaned it.
Okay. There you go, I've washed the cheese grater. Not fucking weird cat on the fridge.
Why?
Don't know. Why not? How am I alone? Slightly salted.
Yeah.
Is that the right one, or do you do one that's more slightly salted? Did you heat that up on the heater?
Yeah. I'm going to heat it up again then.
Okay.
That one.
Okay. See, do you want me to stir these?
Want to put both sides of the bread?
No.
No.
No, not this time. If we could properly clean the thing, I would, but I'll try it that way anyway. It is nice with lots of Lurpak, just put lots of Lurpak on it.
Right, I'm going to put this down and you can put the chilies on.
Oh.
And then I'll put the other bit.
Okay. So, there you go.
Nice, quiet neighborhood. Everybody knows each other. We watch out for each other. You need a cup of sugar, you go there and you bum one. You know, you have parties, you get along with each other. You help each other.
It's very cheesy.
It's going to be.
Yep. Should we put some sauce on it or something?
No. Well, I don't want any sauce in my bit.
I can't be bothered looking through the sauce to find one that I might like.
Are you taking it?
Yeah. It's only going to take for another 26 seconds and it's going to run out of space or something. I'm not even going to have enough time to see it go on the grill.
There you go.
Oh, quick, I've got 15 seconds.
Go on.
Fuck, that's hot.